RVs are not very well insulated. If you've ever been in one or ever camped, you know, when it gets hot, those ACs on the top can't produce enough AC to keep you cool. Hi there, Scott here from Healthy Homes Insulation, and today we're talking about RVs. RVs are not very well insulated. If you've ever been in one or ever camped, you know. So one of the things we offer at Healthy Homes Insulation is we provide a cleaning service to get the undercarriage fully cleaned of debris, dirt, and anything in between. And then we recommend 2 to 3 inches of closed cell foam to the undercarriage. Now what this is going to do is provide you a vapor barrier and seal up the bottom where there's lots of different gaps, cracks, and your cool air is seeping through there, right? So if we go ahead and seal it, the bottom up, you're gonna be more efficient, you're gonna be more comfortable, and that cool air your ACs are working so hard to keep will stay inside the RV longer, and you'll spend less on energy bills. A lot of critters like to come through the bottom. Once we get that 2 to 3 inches of closed cell foam across the bottom of the undercarriage, there's gonna be no spot for them to get into, so less bugs, less mice, less problems overall. Feel free to give us a call or click the link below and learn more. Thanks.